So Canva have a new feature that's called MGBG, and this is like a magic background. What it basically gonna do is use AI to create or come up with a background for your design. So let's say you're in your design, you click on the image and you will look at the top and you will find a magic background or magic BG. Now you have to have Canva Pro to use this, but once you do, just look at the top and click on magic BG. It's gonna go ahead and generate for you. Now, as you can see, it already did for me. So I would have to just basically click on it, click Magic BG, and I would have to regenerate. In your case, you can just basically say whatever you want. In my case, if I don't like what it basically creates for me, I can change the prompt to basically create whatever I want, right? And I can also say surprise me and just regenerate something new. It's going to take a couple of seconds to actually do that, but once it does, you will see the different designs that it come up with for the background. And there you have it, guys. These are some examples of Magic BG create a background for you in Canva. And that's it.